he called us out because his motor is not responding to any signals. This motor is from 2000. It's actually 23 years old, old enough to buy a drink legally in this country. He told me that raccoons were in here. They just had the family of raccoons removed from their garage. Ever since then, this motor has not been working. Customer elected to replace this motor. Here we have the brand new motor, real bright lights, real quiet, real smooth. Let's see how it runs now. Much better. I'm at this customer's house.